XPEV stock analysis and XPEV stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. Now, I'm the only person in this space that has actually done 45,000 videos and has proof of everything. So, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And basically how things are looking like for me is not so bad. Actually, not bad at all. Genuinely looking to take it further higher from so I did beforehand, I called it out here. And since then, it's been freaking pumping. It was 5 days ago, 19th of August. Here's how the video looked like. Since I got the double break mat a little bit earlier, I was like, okay, it's game on for me, and it's been game on since then. Phenomenal. It was 20 bucks at the time, right? Sensational. So I'm gonna keep it as such, aiming for 26.99, 27. If you want to stay tuned and want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. Bye bye.